It's Travis Klineski here. As we start things up, I'll start you with what we have advisories and warning wise. We'll start with the winter side of things where the better chance of a little bit of accumulating snow is possible. Maybe an inch or two under those purple shaded areas could at times get close to whiteout conditions due to the strong winds we're also dealing with. So winter weather advisories in those purple shaded counties. And then you get to the far north there, we got blizzard warnings in place in the red shaded areas. Those are areas we may see a little bit more snow accumulation, 2 to 4 or 5 inches of snow when it's all said and done. That combined with very strong winds could at times produce whiteout conditions. They'll go till noon in north central Nebraska and until 6 p.m. in the eastern part of the state. Where the snow isn't having as much of an impact, there's been some snow in the Tri-Cities this morning, but where the snow's not going to pile up out there and cause whiteout conditions, we just have high wind warnings in place. And that's in the gold shaded counties where the winds will be strongest today, especially right away this morning. Winds could exceed 50 miles per hour, maybe even at times exceeding 60 miles per hour. So those will go till 6 o'clock this evening as well. In the southeast corner of the state, there are red flag warnings in places like McCook towards Benkelman. So the far southwest corner of the state, that fire danger a little higher out there. So a little more sunshine to the southwest expected for today. We've seen a band of snow actually make its way through the Tri-Cities already this morning. Our best chance is right away. Lower chances later on today. In fact, things kind of wind down by late this afternoon and into this evening. Winds will still be strong later this afternoon, but strongest in the morning, and then slowly dying back overnight tonight with those northwesterly winds. Eventually, clouds will start to clear out overnight as well. So by tomorrow, we should see more sunshine out there. Still a little bit breezy with those northwest winds, but only 10 to 20 miles per hour, not 30 to 40 miles per hour. So the winds will still be a little noticeable, but not nearly as bad. And we'll warm it up a little bit more tomorrow. Today's the coldest day of the week. Tomorrow begins our next warm up on the way for the next several days to come. So again, snowfall totals won't be overly impressive. We're seeing kind of a skiff of snow around the Tri-Cities, maybe up to a half inch. Higher totals in the northeast part of the state where we could see maybe 2, 3, 4 inches of snow in those locations here. But again, the bigger concern is just that some places where it is snowing, whiteout conditions are a possibility. Highs today will be the coldest of the week. We're only looking at upper 20s and lower 30s up north. Snow a little more likely, although the snow chances, I'm going to go with the chance of snow, not likely at this point, as the chances are looking a little bit lower now, but some blowing snow also a possibility. Really not seeing much snow out west, maybe around Lexington, Beaver City, possibly North Platte. So a little bit more sun trying to sneak through, mid and upper 30s, lower 40s for highs. In the south, probably not going to see snow in north central Kansas. We've already seen a little bit around the Tri-Cities, and our chances will get lower later on today. Mid to upper 30s, lower 40s for highs, very strong northwest winds. Snow a little more likely off towards the east, and that's where we also see the chance of some blowing snow. That's why that winter weather advisory is out in some of those locations. Low to mid 30s for the most part, upper 30s closer to Belleville, Kansas there. Over the next couple of days, we'd see a warming trend as conditions improve. Still a little breezy, but lots of sun tomorrow, lower 40s. Lower 50s on Thursday with mostly sunny skies, and the winds will be pretty light on Thursday and Friday, under 15 miles per hour. Friday, the best day of the week, high of 61, and then the weekend, we'll start to cool it back a bit. 50 still on Saturday. Some models are kind of split. Some are going 40, some are going near 60 still on Saturday. Kind of depends on how good that chance of rain is. Right now, I'm going with a slight chance of rain across the area. It will be noticeably breezier on Saturday. Still a little breezy Sunday and cooler behind that system. We'll see highs back into the 40s. A touch warmer on Monday with mostly sunny skies. So not too complicated of a forecast, but obviously the worst day is going to be today, the worst day of weather of the next 7 days, with a little bit of a warming trend later this week. And then hopefully maybe another warming trend just at the very end of this forecast and into early next week, or on Tuesday, we could start to warm back up above our average highs for this time of the year. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you all have a great Tuesday. God bless.